mellow in a land of tales where wildflowers grow.